Hey guys, this is Trio Brothers. So first of all, Happy New Year, and in this video I will give you the review of Avon element.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
So this cycle is come from Avon company, and the color option that are provided in this cycle are: first color option is black color, and the second color option is the white color that is now shown in your screen. And you can observe that black one is looking more attractive. So this cycle come in both option, gear and non-gear. And let's talk about the gear ratio. So you can get here effective gear ratio of 21 speed, and in the back you get 7 speed come from Shimano Turney TZ, and in the front you get 3 speed gear come from Shimano Turney TZ. So let's talking about the brakes. So you can get mechanical disc brake in front, and in the back you can get only V brakes, non-disc brake. So talking about the seat post, you get here quick release lever at the seat post, and the seat post is made up of cushions. And talking about the nut axles, so here you can get standard nut axles in the front and back both in this bicycle. And one thing I have forgotten to tell you, that this cycle is come with rapid fire shifter. So talking about the frame size, you get here 43 cm in the frame size of this bicycle, and in the front fork you get a suspension fork, and the quality of front suspension fork is average. So talking about the tire size, so you can get here 26 into 2.125 inches of tire size in this bicycle, and it comes with double wall alloy rims in this cycle. So talking about the additional things that you get in this cycle are: first of all, you get a RPS stylish mudguard DS with retro reflective tape, and you can also get a stand provided with this cycle additionally. And you can also get a bottle holder mount to mount your bottle holder in this cycle. And now some non-additional things that you get in this cycle. So first of all, you get here a threadless stem, and the seat post and the pedals are made up of aluminium alloy, and the handlebar is wide enough to handle most styles. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. If you think that this video is good, then do like it. And if you like to watch more content like this that are cycle related, then subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss our next video notifications. Till then, bye. Bharat Mata ki jai. Vande Mataram.